Today marks 30 years since the historic flood of May 19, 1990 in downtown Hot Springs.
Many business owners vividly remember cars floating down Central Avenue and their shops filling with water. Now, in 2020, many of them are tackling a different crisis. Our Claire Kreitz shows us how downtown Hot Springs is still fighting to keep its head above water.
The drops were huge. I've never seen rain like that.
For Suzanne Tucker, it's hard to believe it's been 3 decades since water rushed down Central Avenue.
It was a river.
Despite the years past, some memories stick with her like it was yesterday.
There was a woman outside hanging on to one of these decorative light posts and just screaming, and she lost her grip and she was washed down.
She's owned this shop in downtown Hot Springs since the 80s and had a front row seat on May 19th, 1990.
The cars were floating down the street and breaking out the picture windows.
That historic flood shut down a number of these businesses in downtown Hot Springs. Fast forward 30 years, these doors are shut yet again.
Pandemic, a different crisis.
This one is causing destruction you can't see.
It's catastrophic.
But for many of these downtown businesses, it's like they're fighting the current all over again.
I don't know what the future holds.
Tucker says in 1990, they knew the water would eventually go down and they could rely on the community to clean the debris.
I remember people from the convention center were down here with their wet vacs vacuuming out the stores and doing what they could. Everybody came together.
For this pandemic, there's no telling when it will end.
I don't know what buying patterns are going to be after this. People have to buy basic necessities. Don't know if they're going to have money for luxury items. It's a big question.
Despite this list of unknowns, Tucker is confident in one thing.
We always come back.
Just like that flood, in 30 years' time, COVID-19 will be just another survival story for this resilient downtown.